In this section, I'm going to show you how to perform a simple mail merge. Now, this is a kind of standardized letter. It's about a company meeting, and it's going to say, hi, so-and-so, so hi, Bob, or whatever. And at the top here, we're going to have, Mr. or Mrs. or whatever, Miss, then first name, second name, and department. So the way we start the mail merge is, first of all, we create our letter, which I've already done. Then we go to where it says Mailings, and then we click on where it says Start Mail Merge. Now, the easiest way is to use this step-by-step mail merge wizard. So if I click on this, over here, it basically will guide us through the stages. So as you can see, this is step 1 of 6. So I've already written my letter, so we're going to do a mail merge to letters, not envelopes or anything else, but we're going to do a mail merge to a letter. So I'll click on down here where it says Next Starting Document. Now this is step 2 of 6, and it says, what do you want? Do you want to use letters? Do you want to use the current document? Yes, I do. So I click on the next item here, which is Select Recipients. So now what we need to do is to provide word of the list of people we're going to send this document to. So I'll click on where it says Browse, and what I need to do is to go to the appropriate subdirectory that contains the information we're looking for. And if we come down here, there's a file called Staff. Notice that's what's called a CSV file. I'll click on this and click on Open. And basically there's some things here we can change. In this case we don't need to. I'll just click on OK. And we just make sure that everything's separated out nicely, which it does. I'll click on OK. And then we go to the next step, which is write your next letter. So we'll click on there. So what I need to do now is to put what are called fields up here. So I'll click here, and where it says More Items, I'm going to click on the word Title, click on Insert and Close. Then I'll press the space bar. So when we produce the mail merge letter, instead of this field called Title, what you see is like Mr., Mrs., Miss, Doctor, etc. And then I press a space bar just to separate this when it's actually printed. So the next item is first name. So I'll click on Insert and Close. I'll press the space bar again. Then I'll click on More Items again, and we'll click on where it says second name. We'll insert that and close. We'll then press the Enter key to drop down to the next line. Go back to More Items, and I'll select Department, Insert and Close. So as I say, when we actually do the mail merge, the fields here will be substituted with the actual values. Where it says Hi, I'll just click after that, making sure there's a space. Then I'll go back to More Items, and I'll just click on First Name, click on Insert, then Close. So as I say, we see the field here for first name, and that will be substituted with the actual name of the person in the list. Now we can just click on where it says Preview Your Letters, the next step here, and as you can see, this is what the letter is going to look like. It's Mr. Dennis Hestert in the marketing department, and it says Hi Dennis. And if we scroll down, you can see that's our document. Now the next step says Complete the Merge. If I click on that, you've got two options. You can go directly to the printer, but a safer option is this other option here, which basically means the mail merge will be done to a new document. So if I click on this, and we select All Records, which is the default, so we just click on OK. What I've got here is a new document. That's the first page there. That's the second page there. Third page there. Fourth page. So as you can see, this gives me the opportunity to check that everything's okay, and if I'm happy with this, I could just simply go to File and then Print, and actually print the document. And that's how you do a simple mail merge. A lot of people think, oh, that's not really a foundation sort of level topic, but as you've seen, it's actually incredibly easy. You can do much more complicated mail merges, but the basic mail merge is actually very straightforward, as you've just seen.